skies hum in shades of blue. A secret world whispers through. Still waters hold the weight of time. Every breath a fleeting chance. Every shadow a slow dance beneath the quiet sky. Where echoes learn to fly, I find golden fields stretch far and near. The silence sings, it draws me here. A fragile truth in every sigh. Each moment fades, yet lingers still. The heart bends softly to its